Former Finance Undersecretary Sonny Sevilla slams his former agency for posting a tone-deaf and misleading graph showing inflation in the Philippines over the last 30 years. The Department of Finance, or DOF's Facebook post states inflation in the country stood at 6.3% on average over the past 3 decades and 4.1% year-to-date. It also shows average inflation during former President Corazon Aquino's term stood at 10.2%, while it has just been 2.8% during President Rodrigo Duterte's term. The DOF explains in the comment section the graph was intended to show the government is supposedly, quote, doing quite well in making our inflation low and stable. It also attempted to appease growing concerns over the tax reform for acceleration and inclusion, or TRAIN law. Sevilla says the DOF was wrong to directly link presidential terms to inflation. He also questions the agency's move to compare Duterte's term to the average inflation of the full terms of past presidents. Sevilla says, quote, these are such obvious indicators of economic illiteracy and political sycophancy that they shouldn't be taken seriously. Rappler columnist JC Punungbayan also explains comparing the average inflation rate across administrations was uninformative because inflation is caused by many factors not attributable to any one president.